Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a steak and I'm going to keep this real simple and do it in my toaster oven. I have a pretty nice New York steak here. This is 1.08 pounds. This was in the discounted meat bin, so I got this for $8.95. I seasoned it this morning with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. So it's been seasoned for about 8 or 9 hours now. I pulled it out of the fridge about a half hour ago and let it sit on the counter, just kind of warm up the room temperature a little bit, and now I'm just going to get this into the toaster oven. I'm going to use the broil setting for this. That means it only cooks from the top down, and I turned it up all the way to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that, and then we'll turn it over in a few minutes. This has been cooking on that side for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to pull it out and turn it over now. I flipped that steak over, and we'll let the top side cook for a few more minutes. It's been about 5 minutes on that side, so I'm going to pull it out and check the temperature of it. I usually like my steak cooked to around 130 degrees, so let's see where we're at here. 123, 142, it's going to vary in different spots. 133, 132, I think that's probably pretty good. I'll let this rest for a few minutes. Let's cut into it and see how it looks. Well, doesn't look too bad. Maybe not quite as rare as I wanted it, but it doesn't look bad. Let's try a bite. You know, that turned out pretty darn good. You know, I've cooked steaks on grills, I've cooked them all different ways. But that right there is probably the easiest way to cook a steak that I know of. And it's a pretty darn good steak. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't cook a good steak in a toaster oven. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Want to try some steak, Annie? There we go. I think she approves.